We're now on to our fourth short video about the new features in Deneb 1.7. Today we'll spotlight another benefit of the new JSON editor. While JSON is conceptually straightforward to understand, it is incredibly open-ended in how you can structure the data inside it. We have a technology known as JSON Schema to provide structure and validation to JSON. This is at the core of how Vega and Vega Lite are parsed and validated as declarative languages using the JSON format. In conjunction with this effort, our new JSON editor component, Monaco Editor, is very tightly coupled with JSON Schema and offers the ability to provide auto-completion for JSON when a schema is present, much like you would see for other programming languages. You might already have benefited from this functionality in Vega Editor, and we now have this in Deneb 1.7. You need to either start typing at a suitable location to see a short list of valid options, or you can press Ctrl and space to manually trigger the completion functionality. While the Vega and Vega Lite documentation is incredibly detailed, it's handy to see valid properties and options right there in the editor. For instance, we can see exactly what properties of a mark are available for encoding. Auto-completion is another popular request, and we're confident it'll help make learning languages much less intimidating. It's great for those of us who've been using them for a while as well, and should be a fantastic productivity aid. In our next short video, we'll continue with JSON editor features. If you want to familiarize yourself with what we've already covered, or look ahead to what else might be coming up, you can use the link below to view our changelog on Deneb's website.